Hey guys, so this is how to become overweight by by Ezekiel. So many people don't want this to happen to them, and certainly I'm one of those people who do not want to become overweight at all. Being fit is very important to the human body, and being overweight can hinder the feeling of you being the best version of yourself. So I'm going to tell you how to become overweight in very little time. It's summer break, and you're ready for all the fun that comes with it. First, you eat and drink whatever you want throughout the day. Secondly, you binge watch all the TV shows that you missed during the school year. Lastly, you don't exercise because it's too hot to go outside and your car doesn't have AC. So first of all, eat and drink as you please. The foods here you have pizza, fries, sandwiches, bacon, cheese, whatever, hamburgers, hot dogs. Eat and drink as you please. Um, so eat. That's the foods. As the drinks, you have pop, coffee, sugared coffee, wine, tea, anything but water. That'll definitely keep you in shape. Um, Binge watching TV series. Now you have binge watching TV series. Well, you're at home, you're sitting down, you don't want to go outside. So now you got to binge watch. Now you can binge watch all the TV shows because you don't have to go to work and things like that. So, um, TV shows like Sacred Games, House of Cards, Stranger Things. TV shows with that can last that you can watch that has 4 to 5 seasons, and that um, 4 to 5 seasons, and there's about 4 to 5 seasons, and there's about 10 to 12 episodes on each season. And each episode lasts 45 to 55 minutes long. If you're definitely binge watching these, you'll definitely be in shape. Thirdly, not exercising because it's summertime. First of all, you don't have the time, the excuse that you don't have the time, things like that. And not wanting to go outside because the temperature is too hot. I mean, it's too hot to go outside. When it was too cold, you would complain that it was too cold. So another excuse are, oh, I'll get tanning lines. Um, my car gets too hot, so there's no AC. So that's cool. That's cool. And another excuse, another way to become overweight is to say that the gym will be smelling of sweaty people because people work out pretty hard during the summer. So I'll just go at night. The nighttime comes. It's time for the movies, hang out with your friends, barbecues, yeah, campouts, fire sites, things like that, bonfires, things like that. So that's how to become overweight in very little time. Now I've showed you how to become overweight quickly. Hopefully, hopefully you try and test it out and see for yourself if these habits work or not. Thank you.